Rain, rain came to play, washed the jungle clean today. Minku frowned, I wanna swing, but Brutus said, just wait till spring. Jevika smiled, let's splash a bit, see how flowers rise and sit. Joy brought out his paper boat and watched it float and float. Then came sunshine through the mist, a rainbow showed with gentle twist. All five friends began to cheer, their laughter echoed far and near. Shine, shine, little day, thank you clouds, now go away. Bring us colors, rain and fun, we love you both, now bring the sun. Appreciate every weather and find joy in the moment.